is up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. What do you guys think of the pink hair? I don't know, to me it's sick. Let me know what you guys think. I think that's just pretty sick. Today, if you guys saw, I have a drum in my hand. We're gonna be chopping up the Z some more. I don't know if you guys know, but some people do these like little vents on the side of the car right here. There's like 3 vents right here, and I want to do that today. But if you guys don't follow my Instagram, I'll put it right here, but I posted on Instagram that the Z is currently broken again, bro. Like, same issue with the wire harness that I fixed already, but I found out that it's actually my ECU that's the problem. It's spreading corrosion throughout my wire harness. So every time I put a new wire harness in there, the ECU spreads corrosion to that harness, so that harness gets fucked up. So same issue, it keeps popping this fuse for the engine control module. Right there, it's supposed to be a 15, but I put a 10 just to get the car moved a little bit. But yeah, bro, it's so annoying. It's actually annoying as fuck. So I had to get a new wire harness, which is in the car. New wire harness came in the other day. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, I posted on Instagram too. I'll put it right there. But yeah, a new wire harness. My boy T, you guys know Terrence T Fitty. He has a new rev up ECU that I'm gonna get from him, and then we're gonna retune this thing, so then everything should be perfect, like A1. Everything should be A1. But yeah, guys, until then, I guess I gotta just do little stuff to the Z. I was actually gonna get some other mods to the Z too. I want to rewrap it and everything, but I just don't want to spend money until like all the tuning stuff and all the ECU stuff is out of the way. That's why I haven't really been modifying the Z anymore, because I just want to get it running 100% and then get all the extra stuff, because I really want to get a carbon hood and some different fenders. I also want to get a carbon hatch, so, and I want to change up the wheel setup. But you guys will see. You guys will see. Yeah, for now, today we're gonna be chopping up the Z, trying to make it look more aggressive. All right, guys, got a new little fuse. The car does not start right now, but if I put this in, if it'll focus. All right, there we go. The car does not start right now, but if I put this fuse in, bro, it just works like magic. And all of this is happening because whenever I was first installing the turbo kit over at Josh's house, it rained a lot and a lot of water got inside my car from this little part over here. There's a part right here where your wire harness goes down into the ECU, and it was raining, and whenever I picked up my car, I guess it wasn't in right, so there was hella water in my passenger area, and I just cleaned it out, and then every time it would rain, water would get in that passenger side and it would just like start flooding in there. And now I put 2 and 2 together. That's where my issue is coming from. I completely forgot about that. So yeah, definitely needs a new ECU. This thing hasn't been started in so long. Wire harness. Yes, sir. Got this one also from Sac City, like last time, guys. All right. Oh shit, she started. So clean, bro. Ah, I smell that E85. All right, guys. As you guys can see, I got my little goggles on. I got the templates made right here. had these printed out. One is shorter than the other because I had to make this one the size that I wanted, but I'll just flip it and then print this size out again. But I figured this would be the easiest way to like get the right size on the car and make sure it's all even. It's basically, well, this is for the other side. Let me show you guys. Basically, you know what I'm saying? Like that, you know? Or should I bring it closer? Yeah, maybe a little bit closer, like that. Perfect. Now I just need something to like stick this to the car so I can get the Dremel and start cutting. All right, check it out, how it's looking. I just want to look real quick too, just to make sure to where I want it, but I don't know, like, I don't know if I should do a slanted or straight up. Let me show you guys what my reference is. See here, that's what I want it to look like. I got my glasses here because if you guys don't know, whenever you're using the Dremel on the rear bumper, these little rubber pieces like fly everywhere and they're hot and them bitches burn, not gonna cat. So I got my little eye protection here with the pink locks. We're gonna try and get this shit done. Yeah, I guess I am gonna go with this. I might adjust it a little bit more, not sure, but I'm gonna start cutting in like the next 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, hold on, let me adjust you guys. Guess we starting now. Sheesh. It looks terrible right now, but hold on. Bro, look at me. Like, it gets everywhere. Not even joking, it's all over my face too. Why did I lick, bro? I'm so stupid. It's just all over me. As you guys can see, this is exactly how I did my rear bumper cut too. All right, guys, I did a little bit more cutting. It looks a lot better now, but now I'm just gonna take this blade and basically just cut down on the sides that need to be cut, and they should pop right out. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright guys, that's all three out. It looks sick, bro. It's exactly what I wanted. It looks sick. It looks hella aggressive. Bunch of rubber pieces later. You guys can see it from this angle. Let me know if you guys can mess with it down in the comments. I like it. It just adds a little bit more to the car. It looks better in person. It looks kind of small on camera for some reason, but the vents are a decent size. Non-vented side. And I know you guys are gonna think the non-vented side is cleaner, but to me, I like the vented side. It looks sick. This side is super clean though, I will say. This side's super clean. But look at that though. No vent. Vent. Now we gotta do this side, but we gotta match it to this side. So I have to measure probably like from this corner to where this starts and where it ends, and put that other template there. And then same thing from the bottom corner, measure where this starts and where it ends, and that should give me like a good rough estimate. And obviously up down and measure up down, but that's how I see it. That's how I would do it. But there it is, guys. Fuck, my back hurts. But look, just like the other side, I think this side might even be a little bit cleaner than the other side. But see how it looks from the back? I know it's gonna look sick. Yeah, hell yeah. That shit looks crazy. It's exactly how I wanted it to be. Hell yeah.
No.
Alright. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm messing with it heavy. This shit is so sick, bro. So fucking sick. Now just imagining like driving with it. Bro, just the rear end on this car is just chef's kiss. Bro, look at it. Well, I want to see how it looks on camera. Like it'll pick up on camera. Hold on, it's not focusing. This camera's not focusing. Focus, 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 focus. Damn, that shit looks sick on camera. Yeah, guys, that shit hits, bro. Highly recommend doing this if you guys have a Z. Alright, guys, your boy is back. That is the final product. That shit looks sick, bro. You cannot say that shit does not look sick. Especially with the turbo kit in the back and everything, the color, the wheels, everything, bro. That shit looks so sick. That shit looks crazy. Look like it shit. Look like this shit make like 700. Shit only making like, it's making nothing right now. I mean, the car turns on and everything, but that's about it. But let me go, guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Is it a miss or hit that shit right on the money? I think that shit looks sick. And it looks even better in person, honestly. Like, I'm looking at it through the camera lens or the screen on the camera, and it looks good, but it doesn't look like how it looks in person, you know? You feel me? It looks a little bit smaller on the camera, but I don't know, whenever I edit, I'll see how it looks. But let me know what you guys think. Would you do this to your Z? Comment down below. I mean, I did the whole chop and everything too, so I kind of like already committed to chopping this shit up, but it's definitely worth it, especially with my turbo kit. I mean, I can understand if you guys don't have a turbo kit or anything like that, like kind of like plays off of it, but I don't know, for me this shit is sick. But I don't know if I'm gonna be getting into anything tonight. I don't think so. It's like literally just a Thursday night, but probably gonna end the video there. Make sure you guys like the video, bro. Like the video, comment, subscribe, everything, bro. It helps me out a lot, bro. You guys have no clue. So like the video, guys. Watch all the way through. Subscribe to the channel. There's definitely more content coming for my car and other things too. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.